everyone, welcome to Bruhan Mumbai Municipal Corporation's Virtual Training Center, and I am Mrs. Nehal Kodambe, your English teacher from VTC. Let's begin with today's session. Hi everyone, welcome to today's session. My dear children, I know you all like to listen to the stories, especially when you go to the village at your native place or villages. Then at night you have your grandparents over there and you ask your grandma or your grandpa to tell you the story. And I know many boys among you, they like to listen the story of the ghost. Who are the ghosts? You know. And in today's session, I am going to narrate a story of a ghost. Are you scared? No, you all are brave children. I know that you will not get scared with this story. But definitely you are going to enjoy this story. So what is the title of the story? Teeny Tiny. So today we are going to read and learn and watch story of a lady whose name was Teeny Tiny. So let's begin with the story. So whose story am I going to narrate today? A ghost story written by Paul Galden. Okay, the author of this teeny tiny story is Paul Galden. So let's begin with the story. Boo! So today's story is of a ghost. Don't get scared. Sit tight. Hold yourself tightly and listen to the story and read it along with me. So, once upon a time, there was a teeny tiny woman. Teeny tiny, oh, very small, very small woman. She has little hands, little legs, little fingers, and very little, teeny tiny, very small, tiny, tiny, small. So there was a lady and she was a teeny tiny. Okay. Once upon a time, there was a teeny tiny woman who lived in a teeny tiny house in a teeny tiny village. That lady was living in a teeny tiny house, and her house was in a teeny tiny village. See here now, you people are going to enjoy this word teeny tiny because repeatedly I'm going to say that word and you all will read that word. You will all will say that word along with me. Who lived in a teeny tiny house in a teeny tiny village. Her house was also very small, and that village in which her house was also a very small teeny tiny village. Now, one day this teeny tiny woman tied her teeny tiny scarf and went out of her teeny tiny house to take a teeny tiny walk. One day what happened? This teeny tiny woman, a very small little woman, tied her scarf and she put her cap on and went out of her teeny tiny house to take a teeny tiny walk. One day she got bored in sitting at home, so she decided to go for a walk. She decided I'll take a small walk, a teeny tiny walk, and that's why she put her scarf on and she went out. And when this teeny tiny woman had gone a teeny tiny way, you can see there that teeny tiny woman is going with her teeny tiny dog and her teeny tiny cat. and they were going on their teeny tiny way. Even the way, even the road, even the street was also very teeny tiny, very small. Okay, so everything related to that lady was very very small, teeny tiny, ekdam chotu sa lahanussa. And when this teeny tiny woman had gone a teeny tiny way, came to a teeny tiny gate. See the gate of her home, her house. It was also a teeny tiny, so small. She came to a teeny tiny gate. She came out of her house and she came to the teeny tiny gate of her compound. You can see so small, so tiny her house is, and even the door is teeny tiny. And she came to the gate, and that gate was also a teeny tiny. Then what did she do? Let's see. There was a woman who was very teeny tiny. Her house was also teeny tiny. The village in which her house was also teeny tiny. And that teeny tiny woman, one day she hold her teeny tiny scarf and she decided to take a teeny tiny walk. And now she had come out of her teeny tiny house to a teeny tiny gate. What happened after that? The teeny tiny woman opened the teeny tiny gate. You can see here. She opened the teeny tiny gate of her compound. And where did she go? On her house, that lady, where did she go? And went into a teeny tiny churchyard. You can see there a picture of a churchyard. What is a churchyard? You can see there an enclosed area around a church. Okay, you know church where Christian people go and pray. So an enclosed area where people are buried. After their death, people are buried there. That place is known as churchyard or graveyard. You can see there graves of the died people. So she went to a teeny tiny churchyard. Even that churchyard also was very small, teeny tiny. But here I have brought you, I have expanded the picture of that. Okay. But that churchyard also was a teeny tiny churchyard. Then what did she do after that? She came out of her house from a teeny tiny gate and she opened that teeny tiny gate and went to a teeny tiny churchyard. Birds. And when this teeny tiny woman had got into the teeny tiny churchyard, she saw a teeny tiny bone on a teeny tiny grave. And the teeny tiny woman said to her, what happened after that? When that teeny tiny woman left for a walk, teeny tiny walk, she opened the teeny tiny gate and she went into a teeny tiny churchyard. And when she reached to teeny tiny churchyard, what did she saw? And when this teeny tiny woman had got into the teeny tiny churchyard, she saw a teeny tiny bone. You can see there, a teeny tiny bone. See here, teeny tiny bone on a teeny tiny grave. See, this is grave. As I told you, where the people are buried. मेलेल्या माणसाला पुरतात, त्याला grave असं म्हणतात. Okay? And teeny tiny bone on a teeny tiny grave. And the teeny tiny woman said to her, when she saw that bone, what did she said to her? She said something to herself. What did she say? said to herself, this teeny tiny bone will make me some teeny tiny soup for my teeny tiny supper. What did she say to herself? This teeny tiny bone, you can see there is a bone and she is dreaming about it. She is thinking about that. So she is thinking herself, or she is saying herself, this teeny tiny bone will make me some teeny tiny soup for my teeny tiny supper. What did she thought to herself? हे छोटस जे बोन आहे ते आज मला मिळालंय. आता माझा रात्रीच्या जेवणाचा प्रश्न सुटला. मी एक छोटस टीनी टायनी सूप या टीनी टायनी बोन पासून बनवीन. सपर मीन्स द very light meal which is taken at the night. Okay, that is known as supper. This teeny tiny bowl will make me some teeny tiny soup for my teeny tiny supper. Then what did she do with that bone? So the teeny tiny woman put the teeny tiny bone into her teeny tiny pocket. You can see here, she is putting that teeny tiny bone in her teeny tiny pocket of her dress. She picked up that bone and she put that teeny tiny bone into her teeny tiny pocket. And what happened then? So the teeny tiny woman put the teeny tiny bone into her teeny tiny pocket. Are you enjoying the word teeny tiny? I know definitely you are enjoying this word and saying again and again. So the teeny tiny woman put the teeny tiny bone into her teeny tiny pocket. And went home to her teeny tiny house. She put that bone in her teeny tiny pocket and went home to her teeny tiny house. She returned to her home again. Where is her home? How was her home? Teeny tiny. So the teeny tiny woman put the teeny tiny bone into her teeny tiny pocket and went home to her teeny tiny house. Now, when the teeny tiny woman got home to her teeny tiny house, now we can see here that teeny tiny woman has entered in her teeny tiny house. What happened afterwards? Now, when the teeny tiny woman got home to her teeny tiny house, she was a teeny tiny bit tired. She was bit tired. Bit means little bit. She was not much tired, but she was bit tired because she had a teeny tiny walk and she went to her churchyard, teeny tiny churchyard. From there she picked up that teeny tiny bone. She put her in teeny tiny pocket. Again she returned to her teeny tiny house. And after doing so many teeny tiny things, she was a teeny tiny bit tired. She was little tired now. You can see there she is yawning. Oh, I'm tired now. So what did she do? Because of she was very tired, so she went up her teeny tiny stairs. You can see here she is climbing the teeny tiny stairs of her house. She is carrying a candle with her because it's a night time. So she is carrying a candle with her and she is going upstairs. So she went up her teeny tiny stairs. She was so tired. Teeny tiny lady was teeny tiny tired. So she didn't cook at all. Her teeny tiny dinner. She first thought that I'll take teeny tiny nap and then only I'll cook for myself. So she went up her teeny tiny stairs. You can see here in the picture, she is walking, she is climbing teeny tiny stairs of her teeny tiny house. That teeny tiny woman was teeny tiny tired, so she climbed up her teeny tiny stairs of her teeny tiny house and she went upstairs to her teeny tiny bed. You can see here her smallest bed, so teeny tiny bed. And whatever pictures I am showing you, just look, observe those pictures carefully. Apart from that teeny tiny woman, who all are there in this picture? Okay? You just observe who is there, who all are there in that picture. There is one cat, there is one dog, and some other things are also there in this picture. But teeny tiny woman didn't know. She was not aware of these people or these things. So she was teeny tiny tired and so she went to her teeny tiny bed. And then and put the teeny tiny bone into a teeny tiny cupboard. There was a very small teeny tiny cupboard in her bedroom. So the bone which she has picked up from teeny tiny churchyard and she has brought to her teeny tiny house, she put that teeny tiny bone into a teeny tiny cupboard. She opened that cupboard and she kept that bone in that teeny tiny cupboard. Teeny tiny bone into a teeny tiny cupboard. Then, and when this teeny tiny woman had been to sleep a teeny tiny time, she was awakened by a teeny tiny voice from the teeny tiny cupboard, which said, that lady, teeny tiny woman, was teeny tiny tired. She came to her teeny tiny house. She climbed upstairs, teeny tiny stairs. She went inside her teeny tiny bedroom. Near her teeny tiny bed, she opened her teeny tiny cupboard from her teeny tiny bedroom and she kept that bone, teeny tiny bone, safely in that teeny tiny cupboard. And after doing all these things, she had been to sleep a teeny tiny time for a short time. Teeny tiny time means for a short time she slept. अगदी थोडा वेळ तिला झोप लागली. And she had been to sleep a teeny tiny time. And suddenly she was awakened. She woke up from her sleep and she was awakened by a teeny tiny voice. Some voice came to on her teeny tiny ears. And from where did it come? From the teeny tiny cupboard. And what was that voice? Which said, is coming from the teeny tiny cupboard. Now it is bit open. And what that voice came? Give me my bone. What was that voice? Teeny tiny voice. Give me my bone. Give me my bone. Give me my bone. माझं हाड मला दे. Give me my bone. Now, suppose you or me were there in place of her, what we would have done? Just think about that. And then and this teeny tiny woman was a teeny tiny bit frightened. She got scared. How much? Teeny tiny, not much, teeny tiny. And this teeny tiny woman was a teeny tiny bit frightened. Oh my God, how this cupboard is speaking? From where this voice is coming from my teeny tiny cupboard? Who is there inside it? So she got bit frightened. So she hid her teeny tiny head under the teeny tiny clothes and went to sleep again. See how that lady was? She hid her teeny tiny head under the teeny tiny clothes. You can see here. She is behind her teeny tiny clothes and went to sleep again. For a teeny tiny second she got teeny tiny frightened. But afterwards also she could sleep. She went on sleep again. For some moments she got frightened. She got scared for some moments. थोड्या क्षणासाठी ती घाबरली आणि पुन्हा झोपून गेली. And then And when she had been to sleep again, a teeny tiny time, the teeny tiny voice again cried out from the teeny tiny cupboard, a teeny tiny louder. Now, when that teeny tiny woman, once she heard that voice, that sound, someone is asking to give my bone back. And this time she was frightened. She was scared for some moments, for teeny tiny moments. But again she had her teeny tiny sleep. And when she had been to sleep again, a teeny tiny time for a short time. The teeny tiny voice again cried out. Cried out means shouted. Again cried out from the teeny tiny cupboard. You can see here, look at the door of the cupboard. It has been opened little more this time. And there was a teeny tiny sound or some cry. But this time it was bit louder. It was teeny tiny louder. मागच्यापेक्षा आता थोडा अजून मोठा आवाज आला. What was he asking for? You can see here the door of the cupboard has been opened a little wider than previous. And the teeny tiny voice again cried out from the teeny tiny cupboard, a teeny tiny louder this time. Give me my bone. Give me my bone. Give me my bone. And this made the teeny tiny woman a teeny tiny more frightened. Now she got scared more than previous time. आता ती जरा अजून जास्त घाबरली. This made the teeny tiny woman a teeny tiny more frightened. So she hid her teeny tiny head a teeny tiny further under the teeny tiny clothes. You can see here in previous picture the little teeny tiny part of her head we could see. But this time she hid her teeny tiny head a teeny tiny further under the teeny tiny clothes. You can see here this time she tried to hide herself more under the teeny tiny clothes. Further तिने ती चादर आणखीन डोक्यावर ओढून घेतली. This made the teeny tiny woman a teeny tiny more frightened. So she hid her teeny tiny head a teeny tiny further under the teeny tiny clothes. This time she pulled her teeny tiny clothes further ahead on her head and she tried to have a teeny tiny sleep. Then And when the teeny tiny woman had been to sleep again a teeny tiny time. This time, as we have seen, she pulled that teeny tiny clothes over her head, bit teeny tiny further, and when she tried to have a teeny tiny sleep, then again what happened? This time the teeny tiny voice from the teeny tiny cupboard said, again a teeny tiny louder. Again that teeny tiny voice came from that teeny tiny cupboard. And this time, teeny tiny louder than previous. Give me my bone. Give me my bone. Give me my bone. The teeny tiny voice, look at the picture. The teeny tiny voice from the teeny tiny cupboard said again, repeated again, but this time teeny tiny louder, little louder than the previous time. Give me my bone. Now, what did that teeny tiny woman did? And this teeny tiny woman was a teeny tiny bit more frightened. This time she was more frightened than the previous. And this teeny tiny woman was a teeny tiny bit more frightened. She was more frightened than the previous time. She got more scared. Oh my God, who is calling? Who is talking from my teeny tiny cupboard? And he's asking me to give me my bone back. Who must be there inside? So she got scared. But she put her teeny tiny head out of the teeny tiny clothes and said in her loudest teeny tiny voice. But that teeny tiny lady was very strong. She had teeny tiny strength in her. Though she was teeny tiny, though she was very tiny, she put her teeny tiny head out of the teeny tiny clothes. What we have seen before, that when she heard that voice two times, she tried to hide herself in her behind her teeny tiny clothes. But this time, though she was frightened, though she was more scared, but even after that, she put her teeny tiny head out of the teeny tiny clothes. You can see in the picture, she is putting her head out of the teeny tiny clothes and said in her loudest teeny tiny voice. तिला जितका मोठा आवाज करता येईल, तिचा आवाज खरं एवढूसा होता, पण तिला जितका मोठ्याने ओरडता येईल तितक्या मोठ्याने ती ओरडली. काय म्हणाली बघा? But she put her teeny tiny head out of the teeny tiny clothes and said in her loudest teeny tiny voice, what did she say? Take it, take it, take it. Though she was teeny tiny more frightened this time, but she put all her courage together and she replied that voice, that what that voice was asking her, give me my bone. So this time she put her courage together, she collected all her strength together and she answered that voice, take it. Though she was teeny tiny, but she was a courageous teeny tiny woman and she showed that courage to answer that voice because she know whose voice was it? It was ghost who was asking for the bone back. The ghost was asking for the bone back and that teeny tiny woman showed her courage and to answer the ghost, take it. If you want your phone back, take it and go away from my home. So that was the story. The ghost took its bone and went to the churchyard again. So that was the story, my dear children. Enjoyed the story? Some among you, I know that you like to listen and watch the ghost serials or stories, and some among you may get scared. But don't get scared. This is a story after all. Okay? So you rewatch this video again, read the dialogues, read those words teeny and tiny again and again, and enjoy it. So now there is a small activity for you. So let's read the activity. Describe the teeny tiny woman's house using details from the story and your imagination. See, there are many describing words which have been used to describe the teeny tiny woman's house. I'll show you some examples. Rest of the things you will do. For example, first sentence we will take. The teeny tiny woman lived in a teeny tiny You can find it out from your lesson. Teeny tiny house in a teeny tiny village. Okay. You will get answer in red. We'll take one more example. The teeny tiny woman went out to take a, yes, you're correct. Teeny tiny walk. So simple and easy. So you can fill in the remaining sentences with the help of this story. And we will see some more questions. There are some compound words. You can see here there is an workshop activity in your book on page number 47. So the words teeny tiny is a compound word, right? The word teeny tiny is a compound word. That is a word made of two words, teeny and tiny. So words like teeny tiny are mostly used in informal language, okay, when we are not talking formally. So they are used in children's stories and songs and folk tales, etc. So write other words like teeny tiny. For example, I'll show you some examples. Incy, now you have learned this poem, okay? Incy, Vincy. So they are compound words. Or tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. We use it simultaneously or together. Okay. So they are known as compound words. Two different words, but we are using as a one word. Learn in detail about compound words in some of our next session. Chris, miss, Christmas, crisscross. Anything with your imagination, you can do this. Ding ding dong bell, or bow, wow. So these are some examples. So in this way you can write other words, okay, compound words, and you enjoy doing this or creating this, okay. So that's all for today. So once again I'm telling you to rewatch this video and enjoy this story. That's all for today. So you will revise whatever we have learned in today's session. Please subscribe the channel and press the notification button to get the link of next video. Bye bye.